Each month, our lecture series invites a woman from our university community to speak for 100 seconds on women in leadership. I'm excited to introduce our third speaker of the series, Lynn Farquhar, head coach of women's field hockey and four-time A10 Coach of the Year. Please enjoy Lynn's lecture.
What drives you? Winning. There's a vitality in numbers. Winning is one of the things that drives me. Now, although 94% of female C-suite executives played sports growing up, women winning can be seen as kind of taboo. I have three strong role models who I continue to watch, and they inspire me to honor the drive to win and what it looks like. Winning is passion. Brandi Chastain, U.S. Women's Soccer. Now at age 17, and I will never forget watching the 99 World Cup, the winning penalty kick, pure passion in the celebration, ripping the jersey over the shoulder. The next day, pretty controversial. Now that sports bra is worth $500,000. Authenticity. Serena Williams, one of the most decorated tennis players, constantly reminding us to be bold, authentic. She breaks the mold and says beauty looks like you. And keep in mind, she's only one of the 4% of female athletes even represented in sports media today. Purpose. Billie Jean King, tennis and women's advocate legend. In Battle of the Sexes, she drew a crowd of 90 million. That's as much as a Super Bowl. In the arena with odds against 5-2. Why? To empower women. So I ask you, do you know what drives you? And do you know why?